Set employee coding requirements in Ramp to collect the data your accounting team needs before the reviews even begin. First, go to the Policy tab, then find Expense Requirements and select the submission policy you want to edit. Select Edit and scroll to the if-then statement for post-transaction requirements. To require a specific QuickBooks field, you can either select the plus sign next to Memo and Receipt, or you can add a step and a required field and select any QuickBooks category you want, like category, class, or even customer and job. Remember, these fields will only appear if your accounting system is connected. You can also remove fields or adjust thresholds, like removing the receipt requirement or adjusting the receipt amount. Remember, when you're done, to select Save Workflow. Repeat this process for each policy if you manage multiple teams. Require employees to code the fields your accounting team needs for faster month-end close. Set employee coding requirements in Ramp to collect the data your accounting team needs before review even begins. Go to the Policy tab, then select Expense Requirements, and then the submission policy that you want to edit. Choose Edit, and then find the if-then statement for post-transaction requirements. To require specific QuickBooks fields, you can either select the plus sign or add a step, then require fields. Here, you can choose the QuickBooks category that you want, like category, class, customer or job, or anything else. These fields will only appear if your accounting system is connected. You can also remove fields like memo requirements or receipt amount, or you can lower the receipt amount. Repeat this process for each policy if you manage multiple teams. Don't forget to select Save Workflow when you're finished.